So design thinking is an approach to, it's actually a disciplined approach to innovation that marries user needs with what is technologically feasible with what the market can sustain to really create customer value.
The goal of the workshop is to give students or participants a flavor of what the course is about and give them some tools that are very simple, straightforward, and that they'll be able to take with them to apply either in their studies, their workplaces. It's really to empower them to be able to design better products, services, experiences that meet the needs of their end users and customers better.
I think it's important that we create awareness between the students. Like they have a lot of tools and they have resources to come up with ideas, but we need to push them a little bit so they start using those resources to solve the main issues that we have right now in our world.